My automated futures trading bot made me over $2,000 today, May 14th, using this role reversal strategy. I'm going to go through all the trades it made and break down exactly why it did these trades. I use a role reversal strategy, which the idea is at a level like this, which is a resistance level. Once broken, it'll turn to support. So you can see right here at about 9:45 a.m. Chicago time, 10:45 Eastern. My bot enters this trade right at this level and hits my profit target, made about 300 bucks there in the same candle. I could have held a lot longer, could have made like 1,500 or so, but didn't want to get greedy. I took my profit target right there. But you can see this level works as quite the support now. A few minutes, or maybe 15 minutes later, my bot entered at the same level right here, using that same resistance support. This time taking a profit target of about $700, puts me up about 1,000 on the day so far. And sometimes I would just stop trading after this, but you know, it was hot. I wanted to let it ride. So we're going to fast forward a little bit. You can see right here, same concept. We take this support level right here from this blue line, this high. We had quite a few closes above it. And then when it came back down and tested this level, my bot entered a long position, got out a little bit above that 14-period moving average. That trade made a little under $500 right there. The idea is we want a high level that you cross above and then touch it. I wouldn't do it at this low level because those resistance and supports often get broke. You want it once the roll gets reversed. So if this was to close down below this a few candles and touch, maybe we'd get in short. But as you can see, we touched that former high, entered long, hit the trade. We can see later at 11:15, using this level right here, the same concept. We set this high, went back down, closed above it quite a few times. Right here, you can see it bounced right off of it. The reason my bot didn't enter is because it was very close to the moving average. I use that moving average as a profit target or like a stop loss. And I wanted to have plenty of room. So it was a little unpredictable, but you can see it did bounce right off of it. And then right here, when there was a bit more room, we entered right at that same level. And the bot hit the trade for, what was that, maybe 250 or so. Cashed out right at that moving average. And I believe we made one more trade for the day. Yep, right here. And this one using this level right here. It wasn't perfect, but got in right about there. Here, it's the opposite side. So we set this low level right here, went below it for quite a few candles. Then when we went back up to retest that level, entered the trade right here. It went away from us a little bit, but then boom, came roaring back down for, that one's looking like about $500 profit right there. Got out around the moving average, a little bit past it, and the bot went 5 for 5 today, was up about $2,030, give or take. And then I decided, you know, it's 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock Eastern right here. I decided it was up plenty. This is only doing one contract, which costs about $1,000. So that's almost 200% return on that one contract being traded throughout the day. So at that point, I call it a day. I take the profit and move on. Now, obviously, every day isn't going to be like this. I'll show you the next couple days and whatnot that we usually don't hit every trade. This was a great day. Happy about that. That's why I didn't want to let it ride. It could have maybe missed some trades after that, but all in all, a great trade using this role reversal strategy and using the moving average around that for profit targets.